Y creo que Rocío tiene el talento que se necesita para entrar en este mundo del entretenimiento.
Rocío Aguilar, the Boy Sister.
¿Cómo te llamas?
Osito Teddy.
I've been to a lot of murder scenes, but this shit's different. Let me ask you something. How many pedophiles you got? As of today? 288. How many kids you found? It's too ugly for polite conversation. But meanwhile, over 2 million children a year are being sucked into the deepest recesses of hell. If we do nothing, their pain is gonna spread and spread.
He has lacerations consistent with sexual abuse. It's only 3 or 4 days old.
Podría dormir sabiendo que una de las camas de sus hijos está vacía.
We're going to hand this case to the prosecution, and we're going to let the Colombians mop up Colombia.
Which means she'll disappear, sir, for good. This job tears you to pieces. And this is my one chance to put those pieces back together.
You have been at this for 12 years. Why are you doing it?
Because God's children are not for sale.
You quit your job and you go and rescue those kids.
You're gonna rob the jailer. Only question is which one.
Do you dare?
God tells you what to do. You cannot hesitate.
You're under arrest for crimes against children.
That's the sound of freedom.